Hey guys, it's Karen Merrill. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about a Clickbank link shortener. And if this is your first time to the channel, welcome. This channel is all about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, how to make money from home, and how to have freedom and choices to do what you love. And if these are topics of interest to you, go ahead and click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you'll be notified when I upload new videos, which right now is on a daily basis. And if you're returning to the channel, thank you. I appreciate you guys. That being said, let's get into it. This is going to be really short. What I use as a Clickbank link shortener is called bit.ly. So you just go to bit.ly and you will create an account. This is completely free. What you're going to do is go to the Clickbank marketplace and get your affiliate link to shorten. I'm going to give you a little tip here. If you want to find the most popular products on Clickbank in all categories, don't put anything in the search box here and just click the search. And this is going to bring up the most popular products to sell on all of Clickbank. So you can see it's belly fat, there's a relationship one, a juicing one. And one thing that you might not have thought of is a woodworking course. This is a very popular product. The gravity is 108 and the average sale is $58. So this is a really good product to promote. So in order to promote it, you're going to click on promote, put in your account nickname, and click create. And this really long, ugly URL is what you're going to take to bit.ly. So you'll go to bit.ly and click create and put your long URL in there, and then you'll get a short one here, and you can customize it. There may be some of these may be taken already, but if you put in woodworking best training, or let's try woodworking training. See if that's been taken. And woodworking best training. Okay, that one's available. So what you can do then is take this, go up here and copy it, and let's say you have an Instagram account that's all about woodworking. So you would take this shortened URL and put in your bio, so it wasn't this long, ugly URL from Clickbank. So that's how that is a Clickbank link shortener that you can use as bit.ly. And this is something where you can customize it, kind of help with your SEO as well. If you're doing some YouTube videos, you can put it in your description below. And if you want to learn more about Clickbank marketing, whether you're an affiliate or a vendor, I highly recommend Clickbank University. That's going to teach you how to build an affiliate marketing business through Clickbank from start to finish. I'm going to leave a link below this video to a review that I did on Clickbank University, and I use this training as well. It's really, really good. It's going to teach you marketing. It's going to teach you how to create sales funnels and how to pick the best product. I'm also going to leave some links below here on some videos that I did on how to pick the best product in Clickbank. So if those are topics of interest to you, go ahead and click and check the description below this video. So that's it for this video. Subscribe to the channel. I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye now.